I am the original Flying Finn. My name is Rauno Aaltonen. We are now in a new millennium. Around 2000 was a big breaking point for Mini because through BMW Group buying the Mini, we got a new car which maintained the spirit of Mini based on the deep expertise, know-how of BMW Group combined with the British traditions in Mini building, go-kart-like handling, fun, and of course the new engines, much more power. First, early 2000, we had free aspirated engines, then we had them with the compressor, and now we have them turbocharged. And the fuel consumption has gone down, and we are not damaging the world through too much exhaust gases. And to electronics. BMW was a leading manufacturer with electronics. The first car in the world with full electronics was BMW, which means we were able to have not only engine management, but stabilization systems, making the car driving safer, but maintaining the fun. We have now something outstanding. Also, in a new millennium, Mini is back to motorsport. We have the WRC Mini, which is very competitive. It's really fighting for the first place at the moment. So I must say that I can really smile. The future looks good for Mini Sport. I am not driving as a competitor with a new WRC Mini, but I am very close with a new Mini. My heart is with it. I love it.